Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first, specifically on teaching aptitude, जिसमें कि यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड टू एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स चिल्ड्रन। चिल्ड्रन के प्रति क्या एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए या कैसे होता है, इस पर आधारित प्रश्न इसमें हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं। टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड अपने आप में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें से कि काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस यूजीसी एनटीए नेट जनरल पेपर या पेपर फर्स्ट में पूछे जाते हैं। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर, इफ स्टूडेंट्स alleged you for making favoritism in evaluation, how can you deal with this problem? A, giving threat to fail them. B, making efforts to reveal the position fairly. C, adopting punitive measures. D, showing the students answer book in order to satisfy them. So अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखें तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, showing the students answer books in order to satisfy them. व्यूअर्स, हम आपको बता दें कि पूरी सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में, यही नहीं जितने भी वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स हमारे हर सब्जेक्ट में पड़े हुए हैं, हम सब में जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बाई एंड लार्ज उनको हमने हाईलाइट किए हुए हैं। तो समय बचाने के लिए अगर आप चाहें तो केवल उन हाईलाइटेड जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको उनके आंसर्स को आप देख सकते हैं, और तुलनात्मक रूप से अगर आप पढ़ना चाहें तो पढ़ भी सकते हैं। संभव है कि हम पूरा पढ़कर बताएंगे, कहीं पर हम शॉर्ट करेंगे जिससे कि वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो एंड बोरिंग भी ना हो और आपके लिए काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इफ़ यू जॉइन योर क्लास ऑन द very first day of opening the session and take introduction of the students, primary objective of this introduction for you will be A, exploration of potential students who serve you throughout the session. B, development of friendly relations with the students of administrative class. C, selection of those students who can do the school job for you. D, to know about students' potentialities along with their family status. So your correct option is D, to know about students' potentialities along with their family status. 3, if you give the student physical punishment up to his nervous breakdown, what will you do? A, pray to God to forgive you. B, repent over your foolishness. C, never repeat such behavior. Or D, accept the fault and try to control him. Correct option is D, accept the fault and try to control him. 4, your school building is just adjacent to a cinema hall. It generates delinquency and spoils the young mind badly. Therefore, there is utter chaos in the school in the name of discipline. What alternative will you have in your mind to fight with this menace? A, prepare the list of the delinquents and isolate them from class. B, make a discipline committee to wash out such students and give them rigorous punishment. C, start a movement for shifting of school building. D, raise your voice for students' welfare. Correct option is B, make a discipline committee to wash out such students and give them rigorous punishment. 5, suppose you are checking students' answer books. All of a sudden, you have finished read refill. You can student and you call an student and order him to bring a refill. What would you like to do in such a situation? A, you will give him required money for the purpose. B, you will return the money when student show courteous gesture. C, you think that students' money is teachers' own money. Or D, you will feel ashamed when you will be paying for such a small amount. Correct option is A, you will give him required money for the purpose. 6, if some student's parent make a complaint that the child has developed the excessive habit of telling a lie and never give due importance to homework, you will do A, after due confirmation, be vigilant towards the child in future. B, forget about the child's problem as parent has become vigilant. C, insult the child along with his parent. D, speaking high about your skills to deal with the child. Correct option is A, After due confirmation, be vigilant towards the child in future. 7. Generally, the teachers do not take pains on the students' postures in the classroom. What will you do for their improvement? The correct option is A. You will enforce proper posture training in the classroom. 8. It is the daily routine that some students bring undesirable food items from the school gate. You are full of sorrow to see this condition of your students. What is its remedy? A. You will force to leave the peddlers of eatables from the school gate. B. You will force the students to remain within the gate. C. Inform the principal. Or D. Announcing on the prayer ground in the morning and ask them to avoid such practices. So, the correct option is D. 9. A scheduled caste student is visiting the class only to get his scholarship. What provisions will you make to attract his attention towards education? A. Insulting remarks on the caste and parents. B. Tell him about the importance of education in one's life. C. Rebuking the child. D. Think about the irrationality of the scheme. Correct option is B. Tell him about the importance of education in one's life. Yes, I hear option 10. Spare the rod and spoil the child. It is a famous saying. Its contribution in modern classrooms serves our purpose in A. Better way, B. Worst way, C. Effective or the exclusive manner. Correct option is B. Worst way. 11. A child is backbencher and is unable to wash the blackboard clearly. Therefore, he stands, see, and sit repeatedly. It disturbs the nearby classmates. What inference will you draw with the reference to the student's difficulty? A. The child has poor eyesight. B. The child may have defective eyes. C. The blackboard may have shining effect of light. D. None. The correct option is A. The child has poor eyesight. 12. If a student becomes unconscious during the period, what will you like to do? First, giving first aid to the student and try to contact the school's doctor. 13. If you would be a teacher, how do you like to behave with your students? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Laissez-faire. Or D. As the conditions permit. Correct option is B. Democratic. 14. When you are maltreated in your class as a newcomer, then how will you deal with the students? A. Through tough punitive measures. B. Through warning of expulsion. Or C. Through improving your quality as you leave the class. Correct option is C. Through improving your 15. Generally, an adolescent is full of anxiety, anger, and tension. How do you sublimate his stress and strain? Correct option is A here through friendly relations, sharing his private life and giving due emotional comforts. 16. Suppose you are hurriedly rushing to your school in the morning. Meanwhile, your eyes go across the road where your student met an accident. What decision will you take under this critical condition of the student? A. You will go away from the accident site in anonymity. B. You reach the site, look out to the student. After giving him first aid, report to the police station and rush towards hospital. C. You are escaping because you do not want to take risk unnecessarily. D. You are expressing the accident as an adventurous game. Correct option is B. You reach the site, look after the student after giving him first aid, report to the police station and rush towards the hospital. 17. If you select a monitor in your class, which criteria will be followed by you in this selection? Correct option is A. On the basis of democratic through election. 18. Suppose an intelligent student became maladjusted due to some family problems. As he has deep faith in you, he comes to you for its solution. What action will you take in this condition? The correct option is B. You think patiently and suggest some favorable remedy. 19. If a student wants to share his problems with his teacher, He visits his teacher for the same at home. In such a condition, the teacher should A. Extend reasonable help and boost his morale. B. Suggest him to escape from his family. C. Contact the student's parents and solve this problem. Or D. Warn him never visit his home. Correct option is A. Extend reasonable help and boost his morale. 20. Our students are having exact mirror image of the modern society's corruption and indulge in anti-social acts. What will you do to cope up with it in these circumstances? Correct option is D. Before giving them lessons, make your personal life to emerge as an ideal. 21. If you get an opportunity to teach a blind student along with the normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? A. Take care of him sympathetically in the classroom. B. Arranging a seat in the front row and try to keep teaching pace according to him. B. C. Not giving extra attention because majority suffers otherwise. D. You think that blindness is the result of his sins, so what can you do against God's will? So your correct option is B. Arranging a seat in the front row and try to keep teaching pace according to him. 22. What would you change the behavior? How do you change the behavior of a tobacco addict student in the classroom? A. You will counsel him for a few weeks and provide the literature having harmful impacts of it on one's health. B. You share with him as you also have this fancy habit. B. C. You report to his parents. D. You do not take any action as you yourself have this particular habit. So here correct option is A. You will counsel him for few weeks and provide the literature having harmful impacts of it on one's health. 23. Suppose you are traveling in a train. All of a sudden you recognize your old student who is passing out without any salutary mark. What will you think in such condition? A. You will be cursing yourself as your student has not given any respect. B. You will think that the student cannot recognize you. C. You will be cursing the modern disrespectful trend in the students. Or D. You will introspect in relation to your students for further improvement. Correct option is D. You will introspect in relation to your students for further improvement. 24. Suppose an intelligent boy of your class requests for a particular book from you. What decision will you take in this case? A. Telling a lie that the book is not with you. B. Giving a rationale that to help him is equal to curtail other students' rights on the same book. C. Give the book without any hitch for certain duration. D. Suggest him to purchase it himself. The correct option is C. Give the book without any hitch for certain duration. 25. Suppose a teacher has short height. It creates an obstacle in utilizing the blackboard on a justifiable manner. Therefore, the students cannot follow the lessons in spite of utmost care taken by the teacher. In such a condition, what would you like to suggest him? Correct option is B here. You suggest him to make temporary platform of bricks with the help of the students. 26. If a teacher's personality is weak, it is in possibility that the students inherit this trait. The reason of this saying is correct option is B. Students imitate his teacher's behavior. 27. When students are deliberately attempting to disturb the discipline of the class by making numerous mischievous like throwing of chalks, whistling upon you, calling foul and obscene words, then what will you be your role in the class? Correct option is D. Doing favorable efforts to judge himself and improve the mutual relations. 28. It appears that modern students are adopting innovative methods of flattery and shortcuts in their studies. What do you think about its remedial measures? Correct option is C here. Favorable remedial measures should be implemented to make them strong and upright citizens by the teachers. 29. Suppose you are an ambitious teacher You have high ideals for classroom teaching, but your hard labor goes in vain. The reason is that the student's result is not satisfactory. The reason of this problem is A. Downfall in the educational level of the students. B. You egoistic teaching behavior beyond students' own level. C. Individual differences among the students. D. The teaching has no access to students. Correct option is C. Individual differences among the students. Third, if your school is located near slum area, in turn it affects your school's environment. What steps will you take to keep your students away? Your students. Let us see here. You will develop action-oriented plan for environmental education for children. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of